Corruption will stop. And I have heard two disappointing reports about the Makati Police na nangungutong dyan sa mga turista. Hirap na nga ako pupunta ng ibang bayan, walang tulog at nakikiusap doon ng tulong nila at nasanay mapalago natin ang ating trade relations. Itong mga pulis na ito, you better stop or I will stop you. You interpret it the way you like. But do not ever think na may ranggo ka, na may armas ka, and you feel invincible. Sinabi ko na sa lahat sa gobyerno, lalo na yung mga police, stop. So that I am ordering the police right now to relieve him, place him under suspension, and initiate summary dismissal. Ayaw ko na yung matagal na summary dismissal. Or if you want, at your convenience, so sino itong inspector na ito, you better resign. Because I said, I repeat to all of you, kayong mga, either huminto kayo o huhintuin ko kayo. Pati yung sa customs, there was the story about the Deputy for Intelligence. I've yet to talk to Colonel Faildon, but I have instructed my aide to relay. I want him suspended out immediately. Suspended and out immediately. Gusto ko, totoo matindi, tanggalin mo muna at imbestigan. But all kaso ngayon sa pagtaga-gobyerno, kaya umaabuso itong taga-gobyerno kasi alam nila, lalaroan nila ang proseso. Immediate. I want them immediately taken out of the office.